Hey guys, this is Naman sharing about WordPress, freelancing and online earning, and in today's video I am going to share how we can set up WordPress on our domain through cPanel. So without further ado, let's start this video. Before initiating, I am expecting that you already have the domain and hosting. But if you do not have the hosting and domain, I will suggest you to go Hostgator and check out their awesome packages. You can also find the link in the description. So let's start. First of all, we will log into our cPanel account and find the Softaculous app installer section. Here it is. We will click on WordPress icon and it will redirect us to the WordPress installation page. Here we will click on install now, and now we can see some fields which we need to fill for the WordPress setup. Let's go through these fields one by one. So the very first field is selecting the information transfer protocol. There are two types. The very first one is HTTP and the second one is HTTPS. HTTPS is the secure one, that's why we will go with it. Next, we will select our domain on which we want to set up our WordPress. So in my case, it's demo.namanwebs.com. The next field is directory. We will keep this field empty because we want our visitors to review our website directly by using our domain name. Next, we need to select the WordPress version. Obviously, we will go with the latest one, and the latest is 6.0, so we are good to go. Next, we have site settings, under which we will write our site name and site description. So right now, it's my blog is site name and my WordPress blog is site description. You can write whatever you want. Next, we will leave these two fields as it is. Next, we have admin account. This is very important. Here we will set our admin name and user password. So in my case, I'm good with the admin username. You can write as per your need. And let's set a password. Next, you will need to set up your admin email. By default, it's admin@my domain name. In your case, you will also find it as admin@the rate of your domain name. You can write here whatever you want to write, like hello, info at your domain name, or contact at your domain name, whatever suits you best. Next, we need to select the language of our website. So whatever language we will select, our WordPress dashboard will be in that specific language. Next, we have some suggested plugins, in which one is limit login attempt and the other one is classic editor. I will suggest you to check in the very first one because it is very good for the security purpose, and it will block the user IP if someone try to put wrong passwords on your website. Next, we have some suggestions for selecting the theme, but by default WordPress select 2022, but right now we are good to go because after WordPress installation we can also change the theme within the WordPress dashboard. So after checking all these fields, we will click on install and it will take few seconds, and then our WordPress will be ready to go. So we are done with our WordPress installation. Here we can see the domain link as well as the administrative URL where we can access our WordPress. So first of all, let's check the domain. So our WordPress is successfully installed on our WordPress. Let's log into our WordPress dashboard. For logging into WordPress dashboard, we will write / and then wp admin after our domain name and write our username and password that we set while installation of WordPress and click on login. And here it is. We are logged in to our WordPress dashboard. So I hope the installation of WordPress through cPanel is clear now. And if you want to see more videos related to WordPress, freelancing and online earning, feel free to let me know in the comment box. And if you like the video, like and subscribe.